Ababelethi bakhulula izinhloko lesi ngesinye senkolo esisola ngokubandlulula ngokubuchaba. Ababelethi aba basola abaphathi besikolo ngokubandlulula ngokubuchaba bathi seminyaka basehelweni lokulinda inkhundla. Imalelane primary ngisokaphela isikolo sombuso endaweni le. Ababelethi baba umnyango wezifundo bona ubalekelele.
Problem is I've been applying for the past 4 years. Now every year they're telling me one and the same thing. There's no space, the school is full. And they always tell me that I'm on the waiting list. Hence, they don't even tell you what number you're on the waiting list.
I'm looking for a place for my kids for schooling. I'm staying around the town. So I did apply. The principal told me that I must wait and wait up until today. And I don't know when they can call us because today the school is open already.
The issue that every time we come to do follow-ups in terms of the applications for the kids, it's always us black people. We've never had white people who has the same challenges we are having.
Kodwa isikolo siyaziphika insolo ezisithi amaphesenti ama-45 abafundi besikolo singabanzima. Ama-44 kube ngabamhlophe bese i-11 kube mandiya. Umkhandlu wengameli isikolo uthi isikolo sesihloga amaklasi njengoba ngingana sikhalisaneleke ukuthi singathatha abanye abafundi.
It saddens me to hear that because yes, we are a school and we are within the act, the Schools Act, and we have a policy, admissions policy. And what happens is people apply, but we can only take a certain amount of kids. And then at the end, if the class is full, it's full. Say we take the first 5 kids of a class, it still doesn't help the other 40 kids that's on the waiting list.
Umnyango wezifundo eMpumalanga uthi uyibekile ihle indaba le.
If we receive claims of racism, we definitely investigate to verify that. But in this case, we have not received any report from the parents through any other system that we have, but we will be following up on that matter.
Ababelethi bathi bazokubetha isithabalala ngaphandle kwamasongo esikolo bekube kumhla abantu ababo bamukela khona.